once again. Welcome back to my class. We are about to learn something new today. But before that, don't forget to like this video. And if you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get updates when I post something new. Today, we are going to talk about evaluating and making judgments. Evaluating a text or performance has always been subjective in its very sense. Subjectivity in giving judgment has always been an issue in terms of fairness. In addressing this concern, criteria have been helpful tools in establishing objectivity in evaluating a text or performance. Simply, objectivity allows the evaluator to develop sound and fair judgment. Before we continue, let's talk about objectivity. In making judgments, it is necessary that evaluators form the sense of objectivity. Being objective means being fair. There is no presence of bias. Personal feelings are detached from the act of judgment. Giving judgment vary from images, media, and texts. Judging these complex works or performances becomes easier with the help of criteria. These criteria guide the evaluators on the scope and limitation of what to judge or examine. Basically, criteria are a set of standards and principles considered in judging a particular work, output, or performance. They may vary depending on what is to be judged or evaluated. Criteria in evaluating an essay may be different in evaluating a song. There are a lot of indicators in evaluating a text, and what we are going to present now are the most common. The first one is content. So when we say content, it refers to the idea, concept, focus, or details of the subject matter as discussed in the text. So you have to put in mind that when you evaluate content, you assess the effectiveness of the whole written text. The second one is cohesion. Cohesion refers to the connection and organization of words, phrases, ideas, and concepts presented in the texts. It concerns the flow of sentences and paragraphs from one to another. It also involves the tying together of an old information and new. Cohesion enhances a reader's understanding of the idea. The third one is grammar. So grammar deals with fluency and accuracy in terms of language structure and facility. We have to make sure that the sentences are grammatically correct. Okay, basic subject-verb agreement should be well observed. So when the subject is singular, the verb should be singular, and when the subject is plural, then the verb should be plural also. Next, we have mechanics. So mechanics refers to accuracy in punctuations and capitalization. So not only that, it also includes spelling and abbreviation. So these are the conventions governing technical aspects of writing. This is a critical component in writing. Having this skill allows one to get the message clear and in an understandable way. So, in a movie that I have seen, one of the characters said that punctuations can actually save lives. Okay, the example given was these sentences. So you may listen to this and then see the difference between the two. Let us eat, grandma. That's the first sentence. Again, let us eat, grandma. The second sentence goes, let us eat, grandma. So notice the difference between how the two sentences are mentioned. The first one, there is no comma after the word it. So it appears that the speaker is asking others to eat grandma, while the other sentence, the second sentence, has a comma after the word eat, which means that the speaker is inviting grandma to eat. So that is for mechanics. Next one is word choice. Word choice deals with the appropriateness of words, especially in terms of depth and level of formality. So this is the manner in which something is expressed in words. This is the style of our expression. So we have to be we have to know which words are appropriate to use depending on our readers or our audience. Effective word choice in writing means really thinking about each word that we are going to use. You have to remove unnecessary words, and only the relevant words should be used, or the words that will add meaning to the subject matter. Okay, and we have to put in mind this quote: "Less is best." Okay, and then the last one is tone. Tone refers to the emotion or feelings attached as expressed by the text. So in writing, the author's attitude towards the reader and the subject is called tone. The overall tone affects the reader just as one's tone of voice affects the listener. So again, emotion or feelings that are attached in the text. That is tone. So though there are still other points to consider in evaluating text, so these are the 6 indicators that are most common criteria used when evaluating a text. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned something new today. Please comment down your takeaway from this video, and see you next time.